I'm Brian Khatambakhsh with another episode of Real Estate Tips from my car. Open house. Does it really work? Is it effective? The jury is out. Everybody talks about it. Some people are extremely against it. Some people are for it. And the question is, what do you think? Should we do an open house for a listing or should we not? I tell you both stories, but in sales, nobody can be definitely positive or negative about one thing. It's all about the statistic. I have some stories that I can tell you. Yes, you get a lot of people that are not serious or sometimes even nosy neighbors that come into your open house. So you get some traffic from some people that are not deciding to buy today. But I've also seen cases that it's been very, very effective. I'll give you one story. Sometimes in November of 2017, I was sitting in my open house, and from 2 o'clock almost to 3:45, the whole 2 hours, I had 0 people coming through. It was raining. It was a slow market, and I was just there doing what I needed to do. At 3:45, a lady walked in with a newborn child. And I love children, so I started looking at the child. I was very amazed, and she went and looked around the house, and she come back and said, "I love this house. I want to buy it." And they had a townhome. They wanted to move because they had a baby. Now they want to move to a detached home, and they bought the place. Now imagine the whole 2 hours they had zero people coming in, and then 1 person coming in. And I always say, you only need one good buyer, one qualified person who can afford and fall in love with your house and pay you the price you deserve. That's only one. Sometimes you have to go through 100 and 200 or 50 or 30 to find that one person. But every one person increases your chances. In a statistic, numbers, the more you do something, the more probability of getting a good result or desired results. And that's what it is. So you can ask people, they say, "Oh, open house is not effective," and some people say it's great. Listen, when we take a listing, we do everything that is on the book, in the textbook, everything. So when you look back, there is not a single thing that say, "Oh, we should have done that or could have done that." There is none with us. Everything goes to the best, to the highest level that we can possibly do, including the open house. So, should we do it or not? Absolutely. Don't leave any box unchecked. Everything has to be checked so you get the best results. That's why our homes will sell for more money faster than anybody else. Until tomorrow, have a fantastic day.